The V-22 Osprey is one of the most unusual aircraft ever built. It can take off like a helicopter, then tilt its engines forward and fly like an airplane. But behind this revolutionary design is a long history of crashes, huge debates, and billions of dollars in controversy. At one point, many people believed the entire program should be cancelled. So why exactly was the V-22 Osprey so controversial? To understand the controversy surrounding the V-22 Osprey, we first need to understand what the aircraft actually is. The V-22 is a tilt-rotor aircraft developed by Bell and Boeing. Its massive propellers can rotate upward for vertical takeoff like a helicopter, then tilt forward so the aircraft flies like a turboprop airplane, allowing it to travel much faster and farther than traditional helicopters. The idea for a tilt-rotor aircraft actually started decades ago. After the Vietnam War, the United States military wanted an aircraft that combined the vertical takeoff ability of helicopters with the speed and range of airplanes. Traditional helicopters were often slow and vulnerable during long missions. Engineers believed a tilt-rotor design could solve this problem by allowing an aircraft to take off vertically like a helicopter, but fly much faster once in forward flight. In the 1980s, Bell Helicopter and Boeing began developing what would eventually become the V-22 Osprey. However, the technology was extremely complex, and the development process quickly became one of the most difficult aircraft programs the military had ever attempted. In 2000, two separate V-22 crashes killed 19 US Marines. These accidents shocked the military and raised serious questions about whether the aircraft was safe enough to continue development. Because of these tragedies, the entire V-22 program was temporarily grounded while engineers investigated the causes and worked to improve the aircraft's safety systems. Another major criticism of the V-22 Osprey was its cost. Developing the aircraft required billions of dollars, making it one of the most expensive aviation programs of its time. Because of the high cost, some members of Congress argued that the military should cancel the project and continue using traditional helicopters instead. Others believed the aircraft's unique capabilities made the program worth continuing, especially because the V-22 could fly much faster and farther than most helicopters. The debate became intense, with politicians, military leaders, and aviation experts arguing about whether the V-22 should continue development or be cancelled entirely. The V-22 also faced technical challenges because the aircraft combined two very different types of flight. Designing a machine that could behave like both a helicopter and an airplane required incredibly complex engineering. Pilots had to learn entirely new procedures for flying the aircraft.